In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. By the end, you'll have Google Pay enabled in your Stripe account so your customers can check out quickly and securely using their saved payment details. Let's start from your main Stripe dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Stripe account in your browser, and once you're in, you should land on the home dashboard. This is the central place where you can see an overview of your payments, balances, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct account and the correct mode, either test or live, depending on where you want to configure Google Pay. For most people, it's a good idea to start in test mode so you can confirm everything is working before going live. From the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Click on this gear icon. This will take you into the main settings area for your Stripe account where you can control things like payments, bank accounts, and other configuration options. Once the settings page has loaded, find and click on the section labeled Payments. This area controls how you accept money from your customers. It may be grouped together with other financial settings, but you're specifically looking for the Payments option here. Click it to continue. Inside the Payments settings, you'll see different tabs along the top. Look for the tab called Payment Methods. This is where Stripe lists all the different ways your customers can pay, such as cards, wallets, and other local payment options. Click on the Payment Methods tab so you can manage which methods are active on your account. On the Payment Methods page, scroll through the list until you find Google Pay. It should appear under Wallet Options or a similar category. When you see Google Pay in the list, click on it. This will open a more detailed view where Stripe explains how Google Pay works with your integration and what's required. In this Google Pay section, you'll see an option to enable it. Click on the Enable button. Stripe will then activate Google Pay for your account. Depending on your setup, you may need to ensure your website or checkout integration uses Stripe's recommended methods, such as Payment Element or Stripe Checkout, so that the Google Pay button actually appears to your customers. Once enabled, you're done. Google Pay is now available as a payment method through Stripe, ready to be used in your checkout flows.